Hello, this is my Module 13 reflection over copyright laws. Um, when looking at the websites, a lot of things surprised me that they were breaking the laws or not meeting fair use criteria. But first of all, that you can't copy more than 10% of a children's book. I thought that was just really surprising to me because if you want a children's book, you probably want it for more than just 10% of it. You probably want the whole thing. And then you can't use the same works for more than one semester or class, which I'm pretty sure that means that if you're a professor and you're teaching like Geography 100 and you have a Geography 150 class, you can't use the same work for both classes. You can't use the same copy, which I think is ridiculous. And then I also thought it was surprising that you can't copy the same work more than 9 times in a semester, which I guess is once a month since it's 9 months, but I still think 9 is a really weird number. Like, why not just make it 10? But some of my experiences that I've had with educators breaking the laws, is growing up, like even in high school, our teachers would have us make PowerPoints or something like that, a presentation, and they never made us put like a little link of where we got the image for illustrations or pictures that we found off Google. They never did that, which I do think it kind of is a big deal because when you're young, even in elementary school, like that's when you need to start learning about copyright laws and the trouble you can get into. And so I think that one is a big deal. Just because kids need to learn it at some point. And then in elementary school, my science teacher every year would show us Bill Nye videos from the show, and they played them years after it actually ran. And so I'm pretty sure that's breaking the law. I'm not really sure, but I think it is, which I think all copyright breaking the law is a big deal, but that one maybe not so much. And then my score on the fair use quiz was a 33%, which I did not expect to do any better than that. I know nothing about copyright laws. But it surprised me some of the questions that some shows only allow educators to show it for 3 years after, which I think it's weird. Like if you're going to let them watch it for 3 years or copy it for 3 years, you might as well do it forever. And then like for kid pics, you can make multiple copies, and then for schools you can only tape on actual requests, like not maybe requests. Someone actually has to ask for it for you to actually tape it, which I think that really surprised me. I don't understand that one. So yeah, copyright laws, so all of them surprised me in general, pretty much. So that was my reflection over copyright laws.